Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will be presenting about morphometric distribution of Java eel in Central Java estuaries. For group members, we have the first one is Nik Muhammad Adam Hadith bin Muhammad Azari, which is myself, and then Muhammad Dinesh Azizi bin Khairul Anwar, Megat Umar Hazimi bin Megat Jaafar, Lena Humaira binti Rusli, Nur Anisa binti Nur Ikmal, and the last one is Muhammad Ahmad Fatih bin Ahmad Mazuki. To begin with, what are eels? Eels are Catcheramus species migrating between freshwater and marine environments, and they are also important for biodiversity, aquaculture, and fisheries. And why study Java eel, or also known as Anguilla sp? First one is Indonesia is a major habitat for tropical eels, and some of which are endangered. And the next one is morphometry analysis helps in species identification and conservation.
Research gap and significant. Research question or problem investigate morphometric variation among Java eel, Anguilla sp. Population in different estuaries of Central Java. What are the morphometric characteristics of eel in different estuaries? Can this variation help in species identification and conservation? What are the dominant species in this habitat? Next, what is missing in current studies? Limited research on morphometric variation among eel species in Central Java. Unclear species contribution and dominance in different storage environment. Need for biodiversity monitoring to aid conservation effort. Why is this research important? Help in species classification and population assessment, support sustainable management of eel fisheries, provide baseline data for future molecular and ecological studies.
Okay, for the objective, first is assesses morphometric validation, predorsal, preanal, and anodorsal ratio of Java eel population in different estuaries. The second is identify dominant species based on morphometric characteristic. The third is investigate spatial distribution of Java eel species in Central Java estuarine habitat. The last objective is provide baseline data for future conservation effort and fisheries management. For the methodology, study location is four estuaries: Pasir River, Getzer River, Botan Meshes, and Sugaro Anakan. The second sample collection is we collect 148 eel specimen couched in July 2019. The third morphometric analysis is a recorder preanal anodorsal ratio. The fourth, species identification. Compare measurement with enable at AL dot 2004 reference data. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Amma and I will be presenting the key findings and their relevance. There are four parts to it. Firstly, the most diverse morphometric variation is found in Guttle River, Nusa Wonggu. Secondly, short fin eel, Anguilla bicolor, was dominant in southern central Java estuaries. Thirdly, negative AD values indicate potential morphological evolution of an unidentified species. Then for the findings under environmental influence, the presence of Bendung Gerak Dam irrigation system may have affected the eel movement and distribution. Next are the practical applications and future directions. I will be presenting the applications. There are three parts to it. Firstly, for fisheries management, data can guide sustainable harvesting policies. Secondly, for the biodiversity conservation, it helps in protecting endangered eel species. For third and finally, for aquaculture development, it helps in identifying species for commercial breeding programs.
Next, for the practical application and future direction, future research. One is conduct genetic analysis to confirm species identity. Two, expand research to different seasons for better population assessment. Three, study environmental factor influencing eel migration and distribution. Future direction and solution. 1. Strengthen waste management and law enforcement. 2. Improve data collection and monitoring. 3. Encourage circular economy and recycling initiatives. 4. Enhance community awareness and education programs. 5. Support sustainable fisheries and ocean cleanup programs. That's all.
I can talk about conclusion. The study highlight the importance of morphometric analysis in species identification and conservation. The results show the short-fin eel, Augelia bicolor. Bicolor is the dominant species in short-term Central Java estuary. The presence of negative AD value suggests potential morphological evolution or identified species, indicating the need for further genetic studies. Additionally, environmental factors such as non-irrigation system may influence eel migration and distribution. More research is required, particularly in genetic validation and social studies, to ensure proper conservation and fisheries management strategy. This is a reference for this topic. This all for me. Thank you.